Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. I'm here with
What's up?
And we're going up to Pymatuning and Conneaut to do some ice fishing. This is going to be a 2-day video. Hopefully we can catch something. This is my first time ice fishing. He's done it before.
Didn't catch shit.
Yeah. So we're hopefully each going to try to catch our first fish through the ice. And we're hopefully not going to drown. We'll get hypothermia.
It's looking like
Open water.
Is that open water? But why is it only on that side of the causeway? I don't really understand.
Where's the ice?
Oh no, that's ice. I think it's just there's water on it. Isn't that what that looks like?
I hope so.
Yes. That's all it is.
We're on our way to our first spot. I don't know where it's at, but he does. And I just got this ice rod because I only have one. I need to get another one. So yeah, well, hopefully we're gonna just nail today. The lady at the base shop said they're catching a bunch of panfish out here, and we did see some open water in some spots, but most of the lake looks fine. Hopefully we can not drown and get on some fish. Right now we're actually in Ohio, so we're invading Ohio.
Why am I so sketched out?
Why am I about to fall over?
Just gonna sit down now?
I like the seat actually. Did my shoe come untied, really? No, it didn't. It's going to though.
Okay. That's a problem.
Is that even water right there?
That is, dude, I just drilled a hole in it. That's water.
I try right there. I don't think
And
it's...
how do you suppose I get over there?
Walk. Okay, first two spots were a bust. The ice was terrible. So
I think it's because the land is warmer than the actual ice. Therefore, it's melting it because it got a little bit warmer today. So, I'm trying out some other spots and we'll see what happens.
this spot looks so much cooler because people sledger on it. I don't know where the water starts. I'm probably on it.
You're past where it normally is.
Yeah, he's on the ice right now. Am I drowning yet?
I thought you got shit.
Bring the auger out here, I'll test it. Look.
It's a lot better than the old one, isn't it?
Ouch.
I re-broke my spine. You fucking dumbass. Oh shit.
Yeah, we're not going through anytime soon.
Got my minnow rod set up. He's got his, I'm talking to the camera. His stuff set up. I gotta clear this hole out too. Or did I already do that? No, I gotta do that.
Huh?
I gotta clear that hole out too. This one's for the cane pole.
Zacks, he's using a cane pole.
I saw, it's kind of funny.
I'm just gonna put a wax firm on this.
She's real good at the fake pans, isn't she? I swear to God he's deaf at times.
Well, he's blasting country music.
Yeah, well, no, he's always deaf.
Right now I'm using a Castmaster jigging spoon with it tipped up with some...
Are you using a Castmaster?
Yeah, I am. Look at it. I have 3 of them tipped up with some waxies.
Some waxies?
Yeah. That's what ice fishermen call them.
Small minnows, or are they all really big? Oh my God, Zach. Zach, I put one of those things where you get to with 3 and they're all huddling in that one spot.
Look.
Bring it over here and show me.
First spot was a bust. We're taking a break and going to see a hatchery. I've never been in one. I guess there's some giant fish in there, so I'll bring you guys in. And we're taking a break. We're hopefully going to get back out there at a different spot. We are in the hatchery now. Some fish over here. It's like a zoo, but aquatic.
I think they are, aren't they? It's a little channel back there. He's gonna get a little too big. They're probably getting even bigger for that. Alright, Connor, here's the new attraction. Oh, look at sturgeon up there too.
We're doing some vlogging here because we're we're not catching anything on the ice.
That's what that smell is that we're painting.
I should jump in there.
There's a 200-pound flathead catfish that lives in the water.
Where did they put them at? They might be downstairs. What are they? Oh my god, look at the creek chub back there.
Those are some there was some daces in there.
That's like the size we used for the python bait. Look how big they are, Hunter. Look at them
Holy
browns.
shit. Dude, they're giant.
That's heated. It's gotta be heated, right?
I bet it's where they're keeping them big babies.
There's something that just swam out of that pipe.
Was it big?
No, they're little things.
Big ass trout. Big old browns. I can get them the old ultralight.
The water's not even that deep.
Dude, I wish you had your selfie stick so you could poke it through there.
It's in the car. It's in the car.
How big do you think them puppies are?
The bald eagle. Let's go chase it. Yeah, there's a bald eagle.
There's two
There's two of them.
They're
Oh, shit,
having.
he's coming right at us.
Yeah, let's hold a fish up. I get one of the minnows, you can throw them up and have it eat them. We have arrived to our second location. We're at Conneaut Lake. Tons of people ice fishing. In the summer, we were fishing over there. We're probably going to be straight out. Hopefully we can get some here. If not, we have another lake. Maybe. None of us have ever fished it before. So, hopefully get one here.
Oh shit, that was close.
It's been about a half hour since I last when I was on the camera. Still nothing. It's starting to rain again. Nothing took our minnows. I have a minnow on the cane pole. I think about moving spots to a deeper part of the lake. We're at a new spot. You really can't tell because it's kind of the same. Looks
We're
like,
out of goddamn propane.
yeah, our propane thing died, so we're gonna freeze out here. My thing's still sitting out there. His rod broke, he just fixed it though.
I'm pissed.
I have a minnow with no weight on here, just sitting out. I think I'm gonna put a jig on because it's getting really boring.
You're my only source of warmth.
I forgot to bring any water out too.
That's a rough life, isn't it? God damn it.
I swore I put water in here, but I don't think I did.
I had a feeling that thing felt lighter than me.
I should put a worm down there too. Oh, I got water. Nice. It's raining now. Kind of sucks. Coming all over on the roof. It's coming inside. All the rain's coming inside. This isn't fully waterproof. We're at about 15 feet, maybe a little more. And we still haven't caught a fish yet. We still got tomorrow. But I was really confident about this lake. I don't think anyone out here is catching anything.
Yeah, it's not just a...
Are those people still here?
Yeah.
They're inside though.
getting fucking cold.
Oh, that Pompeii died, so we're freezing. Switch at. Alright, we're about to leave because this place sucks. Those guys over there are leaving too. I think so.
I said cute.
Why? Yeah, definitely say why. It's weird. My rod's still sitting out there untouched.
Strange person.
And we're about to hit the road. Probably. That's from the end of day one, guys. Not very successful. We tried our best. We're not very good at ice fishing. I don't know what we're doing wrong. We did everything. We tried like tweezers, pimples, wax worms, little jigging spoons. Tried everything. So hopefully we can rethink for tomorrow, and hopefully we can at least catch a fish tomorrow. That's our goal.